Good morning, everybody. It's day 2, early morning. I've already done all my chores and gotten everything together. And my 3 hiking partners that are all 20 years old, they're still asleep. It's 8 o'clock. I must be getting old because I'm up early morning. You know, I get up at 5, have for 25, 30 years, I don't know. Just went ahead and got everything packed up, and I'll let them take their time and enjoy it. We're in no hurry. We've got about 10 miles today. Probably eat lunch up at Gregory Bald. And right now, the sun is out. Looks like a clear day, but it calls for about 60% chance of rain today. If it rains on us the third morning, I don't care. Oh, and by the way, it's the 4th of July. Happy birthday, America.
What you got there for breakfast there, Big Fist?
I think a protein bar is in here somewhere, so it should be good.
Your coffee?
Got the coffee.
It's a Korean coffee, 3-in-1, so it's got creamer and sugar in it.
Should be pretty good.
Should be good. All right, look out. What you got for breakfast?
Made some oatmeal.
Oatmeal?
Got some craisins to go in it.
Oh, nice.
And then just pounded a Pop-Tart. I don't know where the packaging went, but in my trash bag for sure.
Okay.
Leave no trace, that's right.
And Special K or Agent K?
Having the same thing as him.
Okay.
Oatmeal and Pop-Tarts.
Oatmeal and Pop-Tarts. Breakfast of champions.
Breakfast of.
Whoa! I have no idea how I saved that. I can't get back up because my shoes are slipping.
Here, let me get the camera.
How was that? That was not good. Right on my butt bone.
Here we go. Here's the expert himself. Oh, it's too easy.
We're started day 2. I think we got about 10 miles. Just had a stream crossing where I landed on my A-bone. Let's head up this hill, see what I got for the day.
Let's get it. Boy.
What's the joke for the day?
What did the buffalo say to his son when his son left?
What?
Bye, son.
Oh, that's horrible.
Oh, that's cold. Woo.
All right, let me talk about what I'm gonna call the Superman syndrome. Superman syndrome. So yesterday, I just had kind of a invincibility attitude and thought I could keep up with some 3 20-year-olds on the trail. I was hiking straight up, had too much in my pack, but I had this invincibility spell in my mind that I thought, oh, I'm fine, I got this. Nope. I have to accept at some point in my life, which I think was today, it was one of those epiphanies, that I'm no longer 20 years old. My body and my mind are at odds with each other. I'm going uphill now, and I've just accepted it. I can't keep up with him, but I've got to hike my own pace. So that's what I'll call the Superman syndrome.
Dang, I just realized.
Yeah, I wasn't watching. You might as well just call me the human sprinkler.
Dude, I mean, I sweat as much. Yeah, I think it's. I sweat just the amount, just the same. Hey, look at this.
Oh, sweet.
Pretty awesome.
All right.
No matter how much weight is in it.
Yeah. Where is it?
There.
I feel like a fire hydrant.
Yep.
And Big Fist has got my
Same.
jeans. We are dripping sweat. The sweet smell of bug spray.
Yeah, like nice little aroma, body odor. It's pretty good.
And I put some Degree deodorant on that smell.
on the other side.
Bug spray.
Yeah, I think I smell
Nasty.
pretty good, honestly.
How about y'all?
Smell great. Yeah, I smell pretty good.
I'm just about as attracted to bugs as wait, nope, that didn't make sense. Bugs are attracted to me
You'll get them next time.
like a light bulb on a porch.
Light bulb on the porch. Nice.
Oh my goodness, big snail.
This is huge.
Big snail. Or the banana.
From the movie Turbo, just painted number, was it 9? Lookout is actually going on a lookout. Yeah, that's literally a leg or shoulder break from that distance. We finally made it after so many false summits.
Can't read anything?
It's this sign is like,
I think this middle one's the bald.
okay, we finally reached the Gregory Bald trail. That was the sign I just showed you. That sign was pretty rough, but we could make it out. And so now we're hoping that it's not straight up. I can keep up with these guys on level ground, but when we start going uphill, you can forget me. I am in the dust behind them. We probably got about 1.9 to the Bald, and then we're gonna eat lunch there, and hopefully the rain will hold off. Right now it looks okay. We really wanted to get some views, but we were worried that we may have some issues. Anyway.
Which y'all, did y'all go to the right?
Yeah.
Oh, my bad. I didn't know which way y'all went.
Is there a trail? Did you find a trail that way?
Yeah. Oh, I see. It's just comes back to the same place. Holy crap.
There's a benchmark here you might want to get.
A what?
Like a marker that says the elevation.
Oh, cool. I have the sneaky feeling that we're going to be setting up camp tonight in the rain. That's all right. We'll just have to figure it out.
Well, it's fine. Yeah, we just have to have one too.
Right now is the time I wish I'd have brought another mountain house and just cooked it up here for lunch.
Or ramen. I almost put ramen in my freaking.
Yeah, that'd have been good.
Keegan, can you get out of my
Keegan's
way, dude?
culo is in the way.
So the bottom of this packet says, "Take only pictures, leave only footprints."
Nice.
Kind of the creed of the people that walk on the trail.
Yeah, leave no trace.
Yeah.
All right, words of wisdom from Big Fist.
Thanks, Big Fist.
We are up on Gregory Bald, and it's 4th of July, and it's quite a, what is the word I'm looking for? It's quite ironic that Lookout has American flag socks. We should have brought a flag up here.
Wave 'em, baby.
Happy birthday, America.
Happy birthday, America.
American flag socks.
They're all 360.
That's right.
Like real 360.
Smoky strip.
Oh. Yeah.
What did you say we have? Like 4?
I can't tell.
5, 6, 7.
What's up? Oh, great. We got some rain coming. Here we go. It's on the way.
We pack covered.
Oh, I'm probably gonna need to do that.
No, okay, I'll put my food and stuff in there too.
We're heading into the rain, so this ought to be interesting. We're getting ready. So all our rain gear was a necessity. I'm kind of glad I brought it now because it looks like it's heading our way. Should be interesting. So I was going to give a shout out to Richard and Richard. We met them last night at the campsite, and they were camping near us at the campsite. Really nice guys, father and son duo, hiking. I think they do a lot of camping and hiking out here at the Smokies. And so it was kind of fun meeting them and getting to know them. So anyway, guys, all the best. And thank y'all for joining my channel. We'll see you maybe next time we head out on one of these trips. All right, we've made it to, we went to the Gregory Bald Trail, and now we're making a turn. We're going to Parsons Bald, and then we should head down to the campsite. So this is our main turn off here.
I think it'll be good. I think it's just that back heel.
Yeah.
Part.
I think this is Parsons Bald. I'm bald. This is no bald. I mean, you can't see anything up here. Oh well, it's a sign. Well, I'm afraid the next part of this video is going to be kind of reminiscent of the 80s pop song by Eurythmics. Here comes the rain again, falling on my head like a memory. Won't you dive into my ocean? Is it? And I forget the rest. Sorry, I'm a terrible singer. Oh, I just about tripped. Sorry. And so it started. We were hoping we could get to the campsite before the rain started, but unfortunately, we were not able to. The rain's come in, and we got to make sure that we're on the right trail. We think we're on the right trail. We didn't see any other trails that could come this way. We're hoping that the campsite is close. If not, we're in deep doo-doo.
So we passed the runner guy who said that the campsite was on the rise.
Yeah.
You wouldn't believe it. Henry said, "Did you pass an old fellow?"
Wow.
Yeah, he definitely said that.
So the guys just got some what they thought were huckleberries, but I think they said they're not huckleberries.
They said something like nightshade on the label. Like the little leaf label, I wasn't sure. But
So we don't know what they are. I said they're probably going to be diarrhea berries.
probably.
Nice.
Okay, we made it to campsite 95. There's already a group here. They've got their stuff already hung up there. And here's a little bit of a concern. Danger, bears are active in this area. Do not approach them. Attacks on human have occurred, inflicting serious injuries and death. All right, so here's our setup tonight. It looks like it could start raining any second. So we put a tarp up over here. We're going to use that tomorrow to stage everything to get going. There's my duplex. It's not on flat ground, but it's close enough. And then we found a good place for the war bonnet. There's a Lookout and Kay. Looks like there's a storm coming up, so everybody's tents are up and we're making dinner early so that we can, we can get in the tents. All right, everybody, it's the end of day 2. It's starting to cool off a little bit, but it has been pretty hot at this campsite. It's pretty humid, but a very nice campsite. We went down to the creek and filtered water. The guys, they swam a little bit because there's a really nice little hidden pool there. It's kind of neat. We got dinner. The thunder keeps coming around, rumbling. Hadn't seen lightning yet, but it looks like it could come anytime. It's very ominous outside. Anyway, thank y'all guys for hanging around for part 2. I will see you guys tomorrow. That'll probably be part 3. I think I'm going to do part 1, part 2, and part 3. The third day will be part 3. We're been talking about getting a cheeseburger when we get through with this. Going to find a place. I'm just dying for some protein and some cheeseburgers. So I'll see you guys in the morning.